Hello and welcome to Feature Friday with the Right Choice Group at Keller Williams Realty. Barbie Johnson here, and today we are featuring Bogert Construction, a locally owned and operated business serving Lafayette and surrounding communities. Bogert Construction offers home builds and renovations, such as bathroom remodels and kitchen remodels. They also offer custom furniture, custom work, and more. They can rebuild, remodel, and renovate any room or space you need, whether it be inside or outside. Their team of professionals strive for the highest level of quality right down to the studs. They also take pride in flooring options they offer, from classic and timeless floors to elegant shades of hardwood and patterns to complement your space. You can check out their website to learn more at bogertconstruction.com. Find them on Facebook to see jobs they have completed and find their hours of operation. Call them at 765-607-1684 or email bogertconstruction@gmail.com. They are located at 90 Professional Court in Lafayette, Indiana. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this post brought to you by the Right Choice Group at Keller Williams Realty.